Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So here we have a question that 9 minus 1, then again 9 minus 1. Okay, most people solve this question like 9 minus 1 is equal to 8. Then again 9 minus 1 is equal to 8. Okay, now 8 multiply 8 is equal to 64. Okay, but here they are wrong because this answer is not correct. Now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay. So PEMDAS, PEMDAS. P means first priority is parenthesis. Okay. E means second priority is exponent. M means multiplication and D means division. Both have equal priority. Okay. A means addition and S means subtraction. Also both have equal priority. Okay. So here is a first priority is parenthesis. So therefore we have to solve this parenthesis first. Okay. Is equal to 9 minus 1. Now solve this parenthesis. 9 minus 1 is equal to 8. Okay. Now here is a 1 subtraction and here is 1 multiplication. So first priority is multiplication. Okay. So 9 minus 1 multiply 8 is equal to 8. Now 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. Okay. Therefore the correct answer is 1. Please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching the video.